All right, hello. So one of the things that I have for you that the other kindergarten teachers did at Willow is an optional activity. So you don't have to do it, okay? Here's what you need. You need a big, long blue piece of paper, okay, like this one. So your long blue construction paper, okay? You need scissors, a glue stick, and a pencil. Okay, so grab those things, and you also need in your at-home learning pack these pages. Okay, it's called My Shape Snowflake Craftivity. Okay, so you need your at-home learning pack with this. Say it with me: long blue paper, scissors, glue stick, pencil. And the scissors, glue stick, and pencil should all be in your pencil box. So all you have to do is grab your pencil box. If not, go ahead and grab those things. Press pause until you have all your supplies. Okay? All right. So you should be back. You have a long piece of blue paper. Long blue paper. Scissors, glue stick, pencil for the very end. Okay? So I'm kind of going to walk you through this. All right, you're going to need to press pause. Okay? The directions are here too, so you can kind of look at them and get picture clues. So we know, and I know I worked on this with a couple of friends, we were putting things in order. We were writing like step-by-step directions for things. So step one, the first thing I do, the first number here is 1. This is the first thing I do. So you're going to need to cut out. Step 1 is actually going to be cutting out your shapes. Do you see all of these shapes? You're going to go ahead and cut out all of your shapes to make your snowflakes. Okay? So what I want you to do is pause the video and go ahead and cut all of your shapes out. Okay? Go ahead. All right. So now you should be back, okay? And the first thing we're going to do is take some of our long shapes, okay? And start with one straight down the middle and then make the letter X. And you're going to do that and you're going to build that right on your blue paper, okay? So my blue paper is flat on the desk. And I take one piece and I make it straight. And then I make the letter X, okay? The next thing you're going to do is take this shape. You're going to take your hexagon. There we go. Your hexagon that has 6 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Take your hexagon and you're going to glue that right in the middle. Okay? Pause the video until you're done. Okay? Once your hexagon is glued on, then you're going to take these little rectangles and you're going to glue them on sort of like the letter V. See how it's kind of a little bit of a letter V here? Okay. I'm going to glue 2 onto each one of those sides. Okay. Pause the video until you're done. Take your time. Okay. Then you're going to grab your circles. Glue your circles onto the end of the long piece. Okay. Press pause until you're finished. Okay. And then the last thing you're going to do is cut out where it says My Shape Snowflake. You don't need this one unless you want to make 2. You do have enough to make another snowflake if you want, or if you want a brother or sister to do it with you. You're going to cut this out and put it at the bottom or the top, it doesn't matter, of your page. And then I want you to count. How many rectangles did you have? Write the number here. How many hexagons did you have? Write the number here. How many circles do you have? Write the number here. How many squares did you use? Write the number here, and that's where you're going to use that pencil. Okay? All right. So, good luck. I hope you had fun with it. Okay? I can't wait to see them. See you later.